Why didn't SEC Chair Patrick McHenry call SEC Chair Gary Gensler in for questioning? Over his reluctance to abide with pleas for congressional oversight. Also, will XRP change direction to a stable coin when the expected AMM is welcomed by the XRPL? Lastly, an Australian geneticist, after hearing Horace Drew's compelling argument on XRP, we are left wondering, what is XRP's primary goal in the crypto industry? Data from Bithump, the XRPL Explorer, indicates that XRP Cafe has outperformed all other XRPL NFT projects in terms of its 30-day transaction volume, especially in secondary sales, according to statistics from XRPL Explorer Bithump. Cafe has surpassed all previous XRPL NFT projects in terms of its 30-day amount of transactions, especially in secondary markets. According to Bithump data, XRP Cafe sold 11,845 units and minted 52,909 NFT. This amount for secondary sales is a 79.75% increase over the number that was recorded. October 15th, the total sales volume of XRP Cafe translated as up to 336,900 XRP and a sum of money greater than $196 million. In the meantime, 2,166 were recorded by on XRP, the XRPL NFT project that came in closest to XRP Cafe. Secondary transactions and 19,396 NFTs issued, with 301,048 XRP sales volume. On XRP was able to command more than $175 million in value. But Sologenic, the third participant in with an XRP sales volume of 30,464, NFT secondary sales reported a pitiful sales count of 98. Taking into account XRP Cafe's impressive track record against competing NFT marketplaces, the project teamed to the X platform in celebration of the accomplishment. However, even if XRP Cafe prevailed in the 30-day, when comparing the project's secondary sales volume to the primary sales volume measure, it lagged. Revenue. To put things in perspective, primary sales are the first selling freshly made NFTs straight from the producer, as opposed to secondary sales, which entail dealers who resell already existing NFTs. In the meantime, XRP Cafe recorded a very greater quantity of minted NFTs, but fell short of placing second in primary sales. Byte. Lawyer John Deaton, who supports XRP, has chastised U.S. Representative Patrick McHenry. The chairs of attorney John Deaton, who supports XRP, has chastised U.S. Representative Patrick McHenry, the head of the Financial Service Committee, for failing to summon SEC Chair Gary Gensler in spite of his defiance of congressional oversight demands. The Financial Service Committee, for failing to serve SEC Chair Gary Gensler with a subpoena in spite of his unwillingness to abide by requests for congressional oversight. I have been Patrick Henry's supporter. However, he hasn't yet served Gary Gensler with a subpoena, who declines to abide by even one request for congressional monitoring, according to Deaton. In the SEC Ripple case, Deaton, who is the attorney for thousands of XRP holders, stated that Gensler should have been the target of several subpoenas from Congress for blocking congressional oversight. The leading attorney made the statement in response to a tweet from Brian Costello, a columnist for the New York Post. Costello charged in a tweet on Tuesday that Gensler was given permission to present a protect China's interests in the U.S. capital markets. According to Costello, the action not only fosters China's economic expansion, but also military maneuvers. He stated that McHenry was the only individual who possesses the ability to reveal how the Biden administration is shielding China through an SEC. Will you behave in the best interests of Americans, individuals, as well as the men and women who defend this nation? Quizzed by Costello, Republicans in the House vowed to subpoena the SEC for evidence last month over its governance, social, and environmental regulations. As stated in a letter from House Oversight and Accountability Committee Chair James Comer Committee, Gensler was charged of impeding the oversight by Congress. Comer pointed out that Congress might be compelled to adopt coercive procedures, such as subpoenas, if Gensler refuses to assist with the committee's monitoring. McHenry also chastised Gensler for defying congressional oversight orders. This September, that SEC chair has not yet complied with FSC's request about his conversation with Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of FTX. We are running out of patience, as I mentioned, that SEC is not special nor above the law. According to machinery, other financial authorities have consistently complied with congressional monitoring. The chair of the FSC revealed that if Gensler declines to acknowledge, he may seek a subpoena, that the SEC complies with the oversight mandates of Congress. Nevertheless, despite the SEC chair's request, McHenry has yet to issue Gensler with a subpoena. Persistent disregard for pleas for congressional oversight. XRP. During a recent conversation in the XRP community, the focus went to the XLS 30D amendment, which is expected to be approved by governance and will introduce an automated market maker for the XRP ledger. Additionally, during a recent conversation in the XRP community, the focus moved to the XLS 30D amendment, which is expected to be approved by governance and bring about a native automated exchanger for the XRP blockchain. Speaking about the planned AMM, the creator of the media outlet Digital Perspectives inquired as to whether the development would possibly direct XRP in the direction of becoming a stable coin. He inquired as to whether the introduction XRP could be included under the highlighted Group 1B assets category by the automated market maker, using the International Bank Settlement, BIS. Notably, the Group 1B assets of the BIS pertain to stable coins that other banks or the BIS may use to facilitate payments. In response to the question, Panos Mekris first pointed out that the essential qualities of XRP cannot be changed. Mekris claims that XRP will always serve as the XRPL's native coin and represent decentralization and unfettered trading. Mekris suggested in response to worries that the XRPL AMM would give XRP stability. That AMMs benefit from volatility, which gives liquidity providers a chance to profit from higher trade operations. Mekris refuted the idea that the AMM for XRPL to turn XRP into a stable coin, claiming the impossibility from a technical and financial standpoint of rational justifications for this change. He underlined that the AMM functions as an additional exchange platform for XRP and XRPL tokens. But one person in the XRP community proposed rather than being a true stablecoin, that value stability could be advantageous, making a comparison to investments like PXG, which monitors the price of gold. The goal is to decide on an XRP value that will be steady when value is transferred. Mekris quickly disregarded this idea, restating that Ripple's ODL provides stability in a matter of seconds. Unimportant. According to the crypto author, obtaining a constant value for XRP is unnecessary, especially considering the quick transaction speeds associated in the ODL system of Ripple. The notion that XRP requires a stable value for efficient value transfer, claiming that volatility that occurs in a matter of seconds is unimportant. Another member of the community cited official records characterizing XRP and XLM as stable coins. The World Bank referred to XRP and XLM as stable coins in a report published in November 2021. Cross-border payments with CBDCs. Unfazed, Mekris rejected these claims, highlighting the dearth of technical knowledge in big institutions, organizations, and administrations.